Hello everyone, this is Drew with Drew Drives. Today we're going for a drive in the 2024 Ford Bronco Raptor. This vehicle has a 3-liter V6, turbo V6, EcoBoost, and you also have a 10-speed automatic transmission, 418 horsepower and 440 pound-feet of torque. This interior is pretty nice. Steering wheel is nice and thick. You also have a red stripe on the top of the wheel, and the shift paddles are made of metal. They feel great, look great. You have this R Raptor button down here, plus steering feel switch. You also have the suspension button and exhaust button over there. This car is really insane. It has a Baja exhaust mode, off-road use only for Baja, and then sport. And then you have off-road, suspension mode, steering. You can make it normal, comfort, or sport. What's the difference between comfort and normal? I wonder what that is. You can press sport mode, kind of changes the gauge cluster a bit. Pretty awesome. And then you have your pretty big screen over here. Apple CarPlay and Android Auto is wireless. You have the it says Bronco over there. Heated seats, heated steering wheel, but no ventilated seats in this vehicle. You can change your modes down here: 2H, 4L, 4H, 4A. You have your window switches in the center. You can change your, oh, that's weird. That's a weird mirror placement. You have to like press the switch down here for the mirrors, which is interesting. You can also lock out differential. These are differential locks over there. Well, let's go walk around this vehicle real quick. It also says wrapped around the steering wheel. Really awesome looking truck right here. Big spare on the back. Use your rear cargo space. Here's your rear seats. A little bit cramped back here, but you know, still fit. Enjoy the ride on this awesome Raptor Bronco. Man, I'd love to see how this thing handles off-road. You have to, thankfully you have those stepping pieces down there. It's kind of hard to get in here, even if you're on the taller side. Red seat belts, I think those are nice. What do you think?
Absolutely beautiful.
Yep, Simone is going to be featuring in a lot of videos, so it's good to have a passenger to give passenger impressions as well.
Yeah.
Here's your reverse camera. The resolution's alright. It could be better, but you have a 360 camera, which is good. You also got parking sensors, which is pretty cool. Let's go. The engine sounds pretty insane. For some reason I thought this was a V8, but it's a V6. And also has kilometers per hour too in the gauge cluster, which is interesting. Transmission's quite responsive as well. And it downshifts as well when you're slowing down. Wow. Wonder what's going on there. This is a really cool vehicle. Yeah. It feels so awesome being in here, like the riot height and everything, and the interior is just so awesome.
It's comfortable.
I love Broncos. I prefer to have a Bronco over a Wrangler personally. I think Broncos are really cool cars. And yeah, for a while I didn't even know the Bronco Raptor existed. Goodness, this is so fast. This thing is so fast, man.
Well, you have to keep in mind, like, this car is big.
Yeah, it's huge.
Such a heavy car, and it goes fast.
Look how, like, even the handling's not that bad for what a big vehicle this thing is. The handling's not bad at all. It is tripping me out how it shows the kilometers per hour, like the kilometers per hour speed is bigger than the miles per hour, which is a little strange to me. But this car is awesome. And it doesn't sound like a V6. Like, I thought this was a V8. Really cool vehicle. Look at that giant parking lot. That's crazy. This is an awesome car. Man, I can only imagine what this car is like off-road. If you're thinking about getting a Bronco Raptor, get it. Don't have any second thoughts. It's awesome.
Yeah, this car's crazy. I wish we could just drive it.
Yeah, I know, I agree. Wow, what a car, man. And these look awesome too. This is just like a cool car, you know? But you can't really see out the back that easily with that giant tire, which sucks. But other than that, visibility is not too bad. I can see out of my blind spots pretty easily as well. But yeah, once you take a corner like that, the back starts fishtailing a bit. There's a little bit of body roll, obviously, because giant tire setup. The car has a really high center of gravity. Yeah, I mean, this thing's fast, but it's not something you should be attacking like curvy roads with, because you're not going to find much stability there. And I think the daytime running lights on these are awesome. It's like the amber daytime running lights. They look really cool. It's even satisfying with the click on the gear shifter.
Yeah, you can even open up the roof as well. So.
On a nice day when you go off-roading, you can definitely use this for that purpose. Put down the roof and have a good time with your friends. That's so funny. But yeah, I mean, even for daily driving and stuff, it's pretty comfortable. You know, you can sit in traffic in this thing. You're elevated above the road, so it doesn't feel like you're sitting with the rest of traffic. And this thing's gonna draw eyes everywhere you go. You tell people you drive a Bronco Raptor, they'll be like, wow, that's a cool car. Now that's like half throttle.
Yeah, the engine noise is
awesome.
Yeah, this one's really good.
It makes the experience really cool while you're in this car. Yeah, those DRLs are sick. Orange circles with a little square stripe through the middle. Pretty dope. cool how it says Raptor on the seats as well. I think that's a good touch, and on the center console. Yeah, I wonder if there's a setting to change the gauge cluster where it'll show the miles per hour to be bigger than the kilometers per hour. And anyways, that's about it. Thank you for watching another video of Drew Drives. If you enjoyed, please consider subscribing, and I'll see you on the next one. I'm out.